Hi, my name is Bhargav Patel. This is a final app challenge for Power Up program. I'm in cohort 5. I'll start with the last requirement that is to allow administrator to update the stock quantity by importing the Excel file. Here we can see the products table. We can see the current stock quantity for each product is set to 1. Here is the Excel file from which the data was initially imported. I'll update the stock quantity for all the products, save the file. We can see the stock quantity is still set to 1. I'll import the data. I'll find the Excel file. The name of the Excel file was AWC product table template 2. I'll drag and drop the file. I'll go through the process of creating the connection. I'll select the table in the Excel sheet. I'll click next. Here we are presented with a Power Query screen. I'll click next on that. I'll select the existing table, which will be AWC products table. I'll select the primary column, which will be the primary key, and I'll auto map the rest of the columns. Next, I'll publish the changes, and we can see in data flow that the data is being refreshed at the moment. You can see the current timestamp. It's updated. Last refresh was 8:52. We'll look at the products table, and we can see the timestamp 8:53, and all the stock quantity for each product has been updated. Let's take a look at the AdventureWorks company shopfront that allows employees to purchase company products. Employees can sort the product using the category filter. They can select one or multiple categories. Employees can also use the sort button next to the category filter to sort the products in ascending or descending order based on product name. Upon clicking the X in the category filter is going to be cleared. There is a search box in the center of the screen, which can be used to search product based on the product name and product number. Currently, we can see SEM79 being displayed, which is a product number for the saddle seat mountain bike. If red is typed in the search box, you can see all the products with color red being displayed. Once we clear the search box, all the items will be displayed. You can also sort the product based on the price range by selecting minimum and maximum price using the sliders. Here you can see a maximum price of 220 is set, and the maximum price of a product being displayed is 167. The sort button next to the price sliders allows the user to sort the products by prices in ascending or descending order. The info button, when clicked, shows the list price of a product. When ellipsis is clicked, it shows the details of products such as color, size, weight, quantity. A user can select the quantity within the gallery by directly adding the quantity or clicking the plus or minus buttons. They can delete the quantity from the shopping cart. They can update the quantity using the same add to cart button, which changes to update to cart. If item already exists in the cart. Here you can see 3 items that I just added to the cart. I can update the quantity to 0 and you'll see the cart now has only 2 items. There is also a feature that provides a notification based on the quantities in stock. So if I was to I'll add the seed back to the cart, and you can see if I add more than the stock quantity, it will give a notification to user that only 50 seats are in stock and the delivery may be delayed if more is ordered. I'll delete the seat. I'll go back to and find a jersey and I'll add that to the cart. I'll change the quantity and you can see the quantities in the cart change and the price update accordingly. I'll then check out. I'll get an order number. I'll copy the order number and go to my email and search for the order number. I'll paste the order number in the search box to search for that order number. I see an order confirmation email and the items I had ordered. It also shows me the status of the order as pending approval, and I also get the order total. Since I am also acting as line manager, I also get approval requests for the orders placed by an employee. It shows me who the order was placed by, the quantity that were ordered, the current stock level, the reserve stock level, and the target stock. Based on that, I'll say I'll approve the order. Once I approve the order, the person who had placed the order also gets a confirmation email saying that the order was approved. So next I'll show you what happens if an order gets rejected. I'll place order for 2 jerseys again. I'll check out, copy the order number, and search for that order in my email. Here you can see, as a line manager, I get an order approval request. It shows me the reserved stock level at 4, which was earlier at 2. As an employee, I also get the order confirmation email stating that the order is pending approval. I'll reject this order as a line manager. And as an employee, I'll get the order update saying that the order was rejected. As a line manager, I'll go back to the app and look at the Power BI dashboard. I can see the reserve stock level of jersey has decreased to 2, which was earlier at 4. I can also check which products are most popular amongst the employees. I can also filter the dashboard based on if the order was approved or rejected. If the line manager clicks on the top right corner, it takes him to the Power BI dashboard service. Here he can drill down in the products to check the stock levels and do other slicing and dicing of the data. And that's it for my final app presentation. Thank you very much for watching.